soft skills have more to do with who we are than what we do. No matter what job you do in your life, your success is determined by 5% by your academic credentials, 15% by the experiences you have with your job or your life, and 80%, yes, you heard me right, 80% by your soft skills. This is not my opinion. Researchers have proved this. I am not saying, मैं ऐसा कुछ नहीं कह रही हूँ. But these data or statistics are backed by researches done by Carnegie Foundation and Stanford Research Center. Alarming, right? You never think that soft skills matter so much. I'm Surbhi Sigarwar, your image consultant, soft skill coach, and an etiquette expert. Welcomes you all. In my last video, I have discussed about what image management is all about, who are image consultants, and all such related things. And in my today's video, we will talk about soft skills. Soft skills क्या हैं? Soft skill की importance क्या है? इसकी ज़रूरत क्यों है? Right? So we will gonna discuss all these things in this video today. Soft skills get the little respect, but trust me, this can make or break your career, your image. Now, most of you who have not that much knowledge about what soft skills are, if there is something known as soft skill, is there anything like hard skills also, or something? Many of you must be aware about it. But for those who don't know about it or not have that elaborated knowledge about what soft skills may be, I'm here to help them. So, before understanding कि soft skills क्या है, let's throw some light on what are hard skills. Hard skills or the technical skills are the skills which we learned throughout our life since the time we begin our school. हमने college जाना start किया होता है. The knowledge we gain in our school and college, that is overall your academic qualification is your hard skills, or we can also call it as technical skills, right? So I'm not saying that soft skill is everything and hard skill is nothing, but yes, hard skill is the basic requirement you need for a job. Hard skills aren't enough to bring a best job for you. Also, it cannot guarantee you a best job. Yes, you are eligible for a certain job, but it doesn't guarantee you that you will get that job if you have certain hard skills, right? It can just make you eligible for that particular job, and that's it. On the other hand, soft skills, or also, which is also known as people's skill or interpersonal skill, is one of the most needed, very important, very essential skill, something which is the need of the hour, or you can say that this is one of the most essential or the very important skill one can need to get success in every sphere of life, whether it's in your personal life, professional life, or the social one. Soft skills are must. हमारे पास कितनी डिग्रीज हैं, हाउ नॉलेजेबल वी आर, इन सब का सॉफ्ट स्किल से कोई रिलेशन नहीं है. However, soft skill is something related to your behavioral attributes. The sort of behavior you display when you are among the people or when you are around the people is all about soft skills. You know, your biggest friend in your life is your tongue, and your biggest enemy is also your tongue. How to communicate is everything. It is not much about what to say, but about how to say. That is very important, and soft skill will help you in it. So it's altogether a very important skill which everyone should have. As per the survey by Wonderlic, it was around 93% of employers who consider soft skills as one of the most essential or very important skill in their prospective employees. मतलब 93% worldwide, 93% of employers think that कि उनके जो prospective employees हों, जो उनके यहाँ पे इंटरव्यू के लिए फाइट करने आ रहे हैं, उनमें सॉफ्ट स्किल होना is so high, so much important that it is up to 93%. So you must be wondering that what all these soft skills are, or what all the things which comes under soft skills, right? So the foremost important is the communication, team building, self-motivation, stress, time and stress management, goal setting. These are few main topics which comes under soft skill. There are many more, however. So we talked enough about what soft skill is, and now we will discuss about the importance of soft skills, right? So we try to understand it with the help of an example. Okay, suppose you want to hire a nurse for an elderly family member. Okay, so वो कौन सी 5 qualities हैं जो you will keep in mind while hiring a nurse, right? For me, it is soft spoken. He or she must be best at his or her communication, because when you are treating एक elderly person को जब आप treat करते हैं, you have to communicate with respect, with you have to choose your words carefully in front of them, otherwise they may not like that, and already they are ill or they are aged, so we can't make them feel them bothered with your words, right? So first is soft spoken. Next is compassionate. They should understand that what that person is going through, so they should be compassionate, right? Another thing is know how to empathize. The way other person or the situation the other person is going through, that nurse should understand that and know how to empathize them to make them feel better, because this is something which can half heal the person. अगर आप empathize कर देते हो, उनसे properly communicate कर लेते हो, तो वो वैसे ही अच्छा feel करना शुरू कर देते हैं, right? So these are few very important qualities for a nurse. And another one is well groomed. In terms of your appearance, in terms of the hygiene you have to keep in mind, because you are a nurse, right? And last but not the least, you should be disciplined. These are 5 qualities I will look in a person if I want to hire a nurse, right? Through many of the resumes or CVs which come to you for your consideration, you may get few recommendations also. That particular person is very well experienced and she or he did so many work as a nurse and know how to handle an elderly person and blah 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 and so many things, right? It may happen. But आप किसी को सिर्फ किसी और की बातें सुन के आप कोई कैंडिडेट नहीं हायर करोगे. For any post, not even for nurse, but for any post, you want to talk to them, and on either on phone call if possible, you prefer to talk to them or meet them one-on-one, face-to-face, isn't it? So you decided to call that person, the one person which the one candidate CV resume which you have shortlisted. You call that person, right? And when you talk to that person, the first of all, the thing which you have noticed, he or she may be experienced as recommended by someone, but the first thing which you have noticed is that person don't know or just don't bother to greet you well, right? The first thing. Another thing is that person is very shabbily dressed, not at all hygiene and all, not at all presentable. And third thing is when that person uttered first word sounds very arrogant or sounds very rude. Will you consider that person? no matter how experienced you are or you were earlier. But if you can't present yourself as desired, your experience doesn't matter at all. This is the importance of soft skills. That's why we say that your soft skills are far more important than your hard skills. So stop waiting and start learning soft skills with me. Very soon, I will be coming up with more such videos on my YouTube channel regarding image and soft skills. If you like this video or if you find it useful, don't forget to click on the like button and also subscribe my channel for more such videos so that you can get the notification whenever I upload any new video. Till then, I'm Surbi Sikarwar signing off for now.